So we're at NERSA and I have Horizon Hobbies behind me. We're gonna check out the brand new SCX30. Let's go check it out, drive it and have some fun.
All right, everybody, my name is Brian Nunez. I'm here with Horizon Hobby booth at NERSA 2025, showing you guys the brand new Axial SCX30. About the size of your iPhone, full LEDs, all the scale details you can expect out of an ABS body. But here's one of the first cool features. Grab your wheels, grab your body, boom. The LEDs stay with the chassis, so you don't have to mess with any wires or anything like that. If you look at the chassis, this motor might look familiar to you. Same motor out of the SCX24. Forward bias, of course. The electronics is a reconfigured low seat micro ESC 2-in-1 SLT. So if you already have another Spektrum, Rugged, DX, even the IXSR, you can bind directly to this. Brand new 2S 160 milliamp battery gives you about an hour of runtime. Of course, four-wheel drive, four-link suspension all the way around. One-piece chassis that's super rigid. Dampened shocks, not oil-filled. Worm gears, top loading. And even the transmission uses the same worm gear drive as an SCX24. Overall, super modern, super performance-oriented. And the best part about it is once you actually crawl it, the first thing people say is, hold on, it actually crawls like a 10 scale. The electronics feel like a 10 scale. The best part is that the price is $99.99. Put the body on, tongue and groove, squeeze, and just to show you guys, you know, it's super smooth when it comes to crawling. You can actually control, proportion the actual throttle. See if I can get a little crazy here. Steering's good. And again, if you want to go faster, you totally can. You check out the articulations, actually legitimate. See, you get a little sketchy here, a little side hilling. See if I can get down this without tumbling. Oh, we're good. We're golden. No, completely flopped it over. One of the cool things about this product too is if you're not an overland guy, you're not a big fan of those accessories, that's totally fine. Inside the box, you can remove the actual overland accessories. You can fill in those voids with the actual green pieces on the roof, so you can have more of a normal stock look if you like. A little bit of throttle, yeah, there it is. See if I can get down this little kind of valley here. And that's the biggest thing, it's not jittery. And that's, no, I need a redo on that. I need a redo on that. I need to let the drag brake do its job, let the worm gears do its job. Here we go, here we go. Now we're in there. Don't fall down that little crevice. Yeah. That's it. I remember when we released the SCX24, people were like, why? What? Nobody asked for this. Look at the market now. Sure, nobody asked for an SCX30. People wanted a horse, and Henry Ford gave them a car. It's innovation at its finest, baby.
Get him, Haley, get him. Get him. Got that one.